Welcome back. Today I'm here with the second installment of the mullet. I got a really good response from the first video that I made, got a lot of views, thank you for that. I also want to say thank you to everyone who has told me that I look like someone famous. Recently I've gotten a lot of Stephen Hyde from that 70s show, Charles Heston from the Ten Commandments, and Edmond Dantes from the Count of Monte Cristo. That's what it is. So thanks for that. As you can see, my hair's gotten a lot longer, and I'm gonna get a little bold today. I'm gonna go completely short, almost like a buzz cut, everywhere except for the back. Got plenty in the back to party with, and I'm gonna keep a business in the front. It took a while to grow my hair out like this. I won't be able to do hairstyles like this, like Marv from Home Alone. Without any further ado, we are going to move ahead. I told you I was going to be bold, and I'm going with a number 3, everywhere except in the back. So here we go. One time I was getting my hair cut in a locker room before a wrestling meet, and the guy cutting my hair went through and shook off the hair and didn't notice that that part was off, so I got a shaved head after that, so I'm just making sure that doesn't happen. Dried it off a little more so it can go through easier. Okay, it's just going super slow because my hair's so thick. I guess I could have just trimmed it with scissors first, but I kind of just want to do it with this. So I'll put you in fast motion and we'll just go through it. Okay, so this is a pretty simple cut. The only thing that you really need to make sure of is that you're even here, and that you're not too high up on your head. So I'm just gonna kind of even things out best I can and then finish this up. That feels pretty even. Now I'm going to take the guard off and get around my ears. I got these long stragglers back here. Okay, got those. Now I'm going to put this guard back on, number 3 still, and just kind of make sure I didn't leave any stragglers or uneven spots. Let's see how we did. Okay, looks pretty good. Just one more thing. That's better. Okay. Man, check out all this hair that I... Man, that's a lot. Just from today. Okay, before we go, just a reminder, always be kind. And I'm going to leave you with a reaction from the wife. You out here? Where'd you go? Yeah, come look.
Oh my gosh! You romantic!
No! Just in time for family pictures.
Oh my gosh, we have family pictures!
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
I got the business in the front and the party in the back. Nope.
Oh my gosh.
I think that's 4 on the day, actually.
Oh.
Peace. Oh no, it looks like an animal died in the trash can.